Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the Relative Business. So friend, today in this video you can see here 6 game apps that you pay real money. I give idea about the 6 game apps that you can play and earn money in this video. So friends, the first game I show you in this video, that is swagbuck.com. This is an apps or games apps that you can earn real money to this app. You can see here, when you go to this swagbuck.com, when you register in this site you can earn $5 bonus and you can play. This is an awesome game, and game as well as an website. When you play this game your Android mobile and also swagbuck.com, you can earn and you can earn $2 to $4 per hours. There is a zero cost for playing this game. You know, you don't need to invest or no need to money for this playing game. You earn $2 to $4 per hour, so you can directly withdraw your money to PayPal. Let's say the Swagbuck. When you come to the Play Store in the Swagbuck Lives, and you can see all the details, how to play games and how to make money from this site. And this is a games and also children games. And when you earn from this swagbuck.com and you link to your account in this account section, and you choose your payment method, and you can directly deposit this type of account in your savings bank account. You need to play and earn point and also redeem and also gift card and playing activity. All the details guidance are available in this site, and you can see here the lot of views and reviews are here, and the 4.6 reviews was rate are available in this games. So when you come to this games workbuck.com, and then it's also you download your Android with Play Stores, and you can play today in this game and make money from this game. And the second website I can show you, or second playing game playing app, is known as mypoint.com, or this is an Play Store games. When you, if you have an Android mobile, you can download this as my point apps in Play Store, and when you register in this site you can earn $10 bonus. Just register or sign up this mypoint.com, or you can earn $2 to $4 per hours, and the cost for the playing this game is absolutely free, and you can withdraw your money to PayPal and also gift card is an Amazon gift card, Flipkart gift card. All the details gift card are available in this site. When you come to this my point site, and you can see here's the lot of mm, Target and lots of reputable company are linked with this apps, and they can invest their money, and the people will earn this type of point and make money from this is playing apps, game apps. And you can see here all the details, daily goal, bonus, and you can see here the games and playing point, so redeem gift card. All the guidance are available in this detail in this site, and you can forward gift card. They can pay my point, pay $300 million and already paid to their peoples. And you can see is a 4.3 review rate in this site, and you can play in your Android mobile and also mypoint.com and make money from this site. And I can see the third playing apps or game playing apps is known as Mist Play. It is an absolutely Android. You can download Play Store to your Android mobile and play this game and make money $3 to $5 per hour. And cost for this game is, you can see, is absolutely gift free. And payment method is a gift card or Amazon gift card, Flipkart gift card. And you come to this site, you can see is the Mist Play is an Android playing games, and you can see the reward for playing games, and you can make money, real money, for playing games. And you need to setting all the details, and you come to this Play Store on your Android mobile, and install these games and play, and you can make money. You can see is a earn reward for playing mobile games, and more game you play and more point you earn, and more point give you actual money. So friends, the fourth, playing games and or apps, I can see you the long games. And this is a absolutely playing game. This is a also play with iPhone or Android in the highly variable. You can pay long game, they can pay high variable value. And for this playing this game, you absolutely free or don't need any money, and cash deposit directly your savings account when you on playing this game. And this cash directly deposit in your savings account. Let's see the games is, you can see here this person savings balance is a $10,800 on just playing game. And you can see here's a daily they can earn $5, $25 long game reward. This is one of the best mm, money making game. And all the details are in this available in this. Yeah, this is an absolutely play with your Android phones, and you need to install this game and play this game and earn money. You can see here the review rate 3.8 stars. If you see the more details, you can earn coin every day, you can earn money every day through this site. And the fifth, I can see you the fifth apps, that is givelink.com. This is an also play with iPhone or Android, and they can pay variable or how much you play and how you give this time, and how you can earn from this site. And this is an absolutely free for these games. And you comes to this Play Stores with your Android mobile, and you just need to install, and you can play. You can see here's the $0.5 per day after 2 free play per day. And payment return cash and payment toward your student loan. So friend, if you are student and you want to make money, and you also love to playing game, and this is an absolutely opportunity. You play this game live long, live give link, and make money real cash from this site. You can see, yes, and this is an absolutely give link. And this an try via crowdfunding in games, and all the details are available in this site. And you when you play this game, and you earn a lot of points, and points is converted into the real money. And you can see a 4.6 rating rate, just a review rating rate. And you can see here all the details are available in this site. You need to if you have Android or iPhone, you go to this Play Store and download this giving in playing game and make money from this site. So friends, and thank you for watching this video, and play this game and make money with your extra time. And if you want to earn more money from the online opportunity, you can subscribe my channel, because I provide a daily one video that you can make money online without any investment or any money. Thank you for watching this video.